morning parents and students. Welcome to Delhi Public School Sagar. It is a privilege to serve as the principal of Delhi Public School Sagar, a school that has earned a well-deserved reputation for high expectations, academic excellence and a positive safe learning environment, in which each and every child is able to learn and grow through various holistic developmental activities. Dear parents, do you realize that as a parent you have far more ability than anybody else to transform the world? Yes, indeed, because parents have the most influential ability in helping their children grow happy and learn to cope well in every situation. Even in very difficult situation, a strong bond between children and parents can able to manage everything with positive attitude along with clear vision. With this valuable thought, I, Soumitra, Principal DPS Sagar, took initiative for all parents with the concept of loving guidance, positive discipline. This concept, loving guidance, positive discipline of DPS Sagar is simply the guidance that keeps our children on the right path, offered in a positive way that resists any temptation to be punitive. Don't worry that your children are not listening you. Worry that they are watching you. Be their role model. Studies show that there are different factors that help our children to learn consideration and responsibility and make children and parents more happier. Let's have a look over some statistical fact for the same. Family togetherness 21%, followed by improved family relationship, which is 35%, and next in a row is a parent-child bond, which is 25%, followed by child pro-social behavior, which is 44%, and lastly parent total reciprocal support, which is 63%. With this initiative of DPS Sagar, parents become better parents. Children will have improvised behavior and they will become responsible citizens. Under our learning approach, DPS Sagar will share with you some interesting, simple, holistic and managerial activities in coming 45 days during the summer vacation, starting from 1st May to 15th June. Let us do these activities with our children and grow them up with the right qualities and get ahead in life. Loving guidance, positive discipline isn't a practice. It's a learning experience. To make this experience smooth and joyful, DPS Sagar will host thought-provoking parenting activities for coming 45 days. DPS Sagar will share a day, 1 day based activity, which means daily you all will get one activity, which can be performed only in 1 day. So in coming 45 days, parent will get different 45 activities which are totally focused in sharpening the learning skills, behavioral skills, managerial skills of our children. अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा, आप बच्चों को बड़ी भेंट देने से पूर्व उन्हें कुछ दायित्व सौंपिए और उन्हें समझाइश दीजिए। यदि आप सरलता से उन्हें हर वस्तु उपलब्ध करवाएंगे तो वे उसका मूल्य कभी नहीं समझेंगे। इसी विचार के साथ जुड़े रहिए डीपीएस सागर के साथ, क्योंकि यह एक प्रयास है संभव बदलाव का। कल मिलेंगे हमारी पहली समर फन एक्टिविटी के साथ। नमस्कार।